Go home happy with the 2021 Lexus GX. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your passion for comfort along on every adventure in this bold and capable GX. From the driver-focused cockpit within its peaceful cabin to its deluxe passenger amenities, this three-row luxury trail machine satisfies like no other. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, premium sound system, power passenger seat, keyless start, adaptive cruise control. Rugged meets refined in this connected and capable GX. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.